Hello friends, today in this tutorial a step-by-step guide how to speed up your PC guys. So your PC is slow, so I'll guide you step by step what all are the several reasons and how you can speed it up. Very first reason guys why your PC is running slow. You just have to open my computer or this PC. Alright, so you're gonna see this PC or my computer in your desktop icon. You just have to open that and then you're gonna look at C drive guys. Right now my PC is running really slow. You can see guys, total space of the C drive is 47.9 GB, but available free space is only 19.8 GB. So what you need to do is you have to clear the 60% guys. So make sure that 60% of your C drive space is always free. So you can get the calculator out of your pocket and then you can calculate the 60% of the total space guys, 60% of the 48 GB. So whatever comes up the 60% of the 48 GB, so guys you can free up that space. So make sure that always 60% of the space is free for the C drive. The second reason and the second steps you can follow to speed up your PC. So in your desktop, so do not try to paste any audio, video or image file or the text file in your desktop. So even you have a several folder over here, my music, download, pictures, documents, so all these folders are accessing C drive space. So make sure you do not use all these folders for storing several files. Even you can change the default download location. So better to download somewhere in the other drive of your hard disk like D drive, E drive, F drive. You can make a partition of your hard disk and you can save the files in the different drives. So that will speed up your PC. So when you save a lots of file in your desktop, in your C drive, it will definitely slow down your PC guys. So if you want your PC to be smooth, running fast, this is the second step you need to follow. You do not save any file in the C drive, in a desktop, in a document, picture or my music. I do not even download in the download folder. You can use different drive of your hard disk for downloading the files. You can go to the download settings in your browser and you can change the download location to other drive. So the second steps to follow guys. Third step guys, whenever you open your PC, as soon as you open your PC, press Windows and R button in your in your keyboard. So once you press Windows and R button together, you're gonna see run window. You have to type temp, TEMP. So make sure you type this temp accurately without any spelling mistake, TEMP. Once you type temp, click on OK. And then make sure you select all the temporary files in the temporary folder and delete it. So every time it asks you for the permission, select it, click on yes, click on continue. So this will delete all the temporary files from your computer, all the broken files. This is the third step you need to follow in order to smooth your PC and in order to make it super fast. The fourth step guys, your browser is running slow. If your browser is running slow in your computer, obviously your PC gets hangs time to time. Lots of stuff you will be downloading from the internet, lots of tools, plugin will get installed in your browser and your PC. So make sure you visit this blog guys. So make sure you visit this website. Here is the path. So you can watch it in a full screen, it will be clearly visible guys. And then you can download this. It's a Chrome cleanup tools. You can download it. So if the download doesn't begins, you're gonna see this page. You're gonna click over here to try the download again, and then you're gonna download this guys. Open the download location guys. You can open the folder where exactly you have downloaded it Here is the file, guys. Give a double click on it or give a right click on it and then click on run. Run as an administrator. It will definitely ask you for the permission. You can give the permission as yes if it asks you for any permission. Let it install. So you can see, guys, no problem found. If any problem is there, you can just send the information and click on continue, and that's gonna fix it up. So guys, once you click on continue, it may ask you to reset your browser. Make sure you reset the browser. Even you can reset the browser from right over here. Here is the reset in the settings section. Always try to clear the cache in your browser daily whenever you launch the browser in order to for the proper functioning and smoothness of the browser. Your browser always gonna work fast and smooth when you clear the cache once you run. This helps with the smooth browser and the proper functioning. Every time you start your computer, go to the search and type CMD. Give a right click on it. And then run it as an administrator. Make sure you run it as an administrator. So search for the CMD, give a right click and then run it as an administrator. So you can see administrator command prompt. You're going to type all these commands over here in order to fix your minor internet problem. While accessing browser, if you get any kinds of minor issue in your browser, guys, any kinds of minor issue like the page could not be reached and several other stuff, just type all these commands. Once you run CMD as an administrator, you can make a note of all these commands and you can type over here one by one and then restart your PC. This helps with all the minor fixing of your problem and smooth running of your browser. The another steps you can follow: give a right click on your network icon and click on troubleshoot problem. Another steps you can follow to fix the minor network problem in your PC with your browser and several other problems related to internet and network. This will help you know lots of issue, and it help you fix lots of minor problem with the internet. Next step, guys, go to the start. Click on settings. If you don't get the home page, click on settings home. Go to system. Click on storage. And then you can turn on storage sense. This will automatically delete the temporary files and the content in the recycle bin. Either you can turn on or you can turn off according to your will. So make sure that all the temporary files and the content in the recycle bin will be deleted without your permission if you turn it on. Or you can change how to free up space. You can delete the temporary files and the files in the recycle bin in the 30 days. Or you can just clean now by clicking on clean now. So whenever you like, you can clean with your own will. Or you can just turn it on if you don't want to clean it by yourself. So another best way to manage the space and speed up your PC. The next step, click on manage the storage just below that. Sorry guys, I want to tell you manage the storage. Click on change where new content is saved. So you just have to click on over here, change where new content is saved. Once you click on that, this will give you the option where to save the new contents. New apps, new document, new music, new photo, new movies and TV, and even you can change where to store your offline apps. So by default it will be the C drive. If you do not have enough space in your C drive, then you can change it to several other drive, other partition of your hard disks. Make sure you change it to other drive if you do not have enough space in your C drive, and then you can click on apply. So better to keep up 60% of the C drive free in order to speed up your PC and for smooth running. So you can choose another location and then click on apply. So the another steps you can follow in order to manage storage and speed up your PC. Again, click on this home setting icon and go back to the home section. Click on apps section. Here you got apps and features. Here you're gonna see all the list of app that is installed in your device. The app which you do not use, you can delete all the unwanted app one by one. Click on any app you would like to uninstall and click on uninstall. You can uninstall all the unwanted apps. Some of the apps are by default, you cannot uninstall it, but the app which you have installed manually, you can uninstall it. You can uninstall all the unwanted apps. For the better performance, free up space and speed up your PC. If you are using the other version of the Windows like Windows 7 and all, press Windows and R button. Even you can do it in a Windows 8 and 10. And then you're going to type appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl. I hope it's clear. You can watch it in a full screen or you can check it over here. So it's appwiz.cpl. Once you type Windows and R, you're going to see this run command, run Windows, and then you're going to type this. Click on OK. And then you're going to see here you have all the list of app that is installed in your device. You can uninstall one by one. Click on it, click on uninstall and change, and you can uninstall all the unwanted apps. The best way to uninstall, manage and handle your PC in order to speed it up and free up the storage, better performance. The best way to move and copy the file from one drive to another drive or one folder to another folder is open the Explorer. Go to the home section. On the top you're going to see move to. Select the respective drive or the folder where you would like to move the files and the folder. Select the file and folder you would like to move, and then you can select the files or you can select the folder or the drive where you would like to move the files. Same you can do with the copy. So it is the easiest way to free up the space in a drive or a folder. If you have a minor driver problem in your PC like audio driver, sound driver, network driver, graphic driver, several error you are getting, so the minor problem you can fix. There are thousands of reasons why you will be getting that error, guys. The minor problem you can fix by updating the driver. The best way to update the driver is right click on my computer or this PC and click on manage. You're gonna see this window. Click on device manager, and here you have all the list of drivers. If you have a problem with your audio drivers, give a right click on it, scan for the hardware change, or you can just update the driver. Scan for the hardware change and update the driver. You can do same with the graphic driver. Scan for the hardware change and update it. Scan for the hardware change and update it. mouse problem, scan for the hardware change and update it. The best way to update the drivers and keep your drivers up to date in your PC. This can help a lot with your several driver issue and for the better performance of your PC. Following all these steps guys, you can fix all the minor problem in your PC, keep your PC so clean and up to date, and your PC gonna work like a charm guys. It's a super fast PC. Make sure this video help you. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, and check the video description for few more stuff. Have a good day. Catch you in the next video.